Hi guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a really good, this is so cheesy, really good Dollar Tree haul. So I'm gonna skip all of the boring stuff, most of it rather, and just show you the good things that I found. So let's start off with something that I haven't seen anybody else haul yet. And that would be this Hello Stationery collection. This is a whole collection at Dollar Tree. I didn't get the entire collection. I will insert pictures of what I didn't pick up in the at the end of this video, but how cute is this? This looks very much like something you would find at Michael's. You get I think it's 9 stickers, and this collection is kind of copper themed. These are gold actually, but the rest of it is like copper themed. So I got this mostly just to show you guys because I don't really use stickers. So maybe I'll put it in a giveaway or something, or give it as a gift later on down the line. I also picked up this really cute notepad, and I'm having trouble seeing if this is blinding you guys or not, but they do come wrapped in plastic. So it is like a copper pineapple, and it's copper, not rose gold, with like a blush pink background. Says 50 pages, and it's just a really cute little notebook. Just some lined pages, and the pages are pink. So I love this, and I can always use something like that. And then the last item is this journal. This is also 50 pages, and again, I apologize if I'm blinding you. I'm having trouble seeing my screen, so bear with me. But copper here, stripes, pink, it says hello, and let me see what the inside of this one looks like. This is by the Crown Jewels brand, and it looks so much like what you get at Target Dollar Spot. So the inside pages are just lined with pink polka dots, and there's like a slight pink shadow here. So these were really cool finds. There was more to the collection that I didn't pick up, and like I said, I will put pictures at the end of the video. The next item that I found, I was so excited about. It is this welcome sign. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over, but it has the little pom-poms, and it's glittery. I wish it wasn't glittery, but this glitter isn't bad compared to some of the glitter that you see at Dollar Tree. I also love that it has the faux distressed wood, very my style, and I think they either had this last year or something very similar that I wanted and couldn't find, so I was really excited to find it this year. I picked up these ferns. I think I've seen these there before, but they're not great quality, but they look pretty much the way that the ferns at like Hobby Lobby or whatever would look. I'm not wild about faux greenery unless it's like succulents or those like soft leaves, like how lamb's ear is, just because those tend to look more realistic. But I have an idea for this. I have a few DIYs that I'm going to be making, so I'll get into that in just a second here. I also got this wicker wreath, or willow wreath, I apologize. So they have had the like wicker one that's a darker brown out for a while, and I guess they brought in this lighter one for spring. I couldn't decide which one to get for my DIY. I just went with this one because it was a little bit lighter, so it felt a little bit more springy, but I may end up going back and getting the darker one. I'm not sure, but I don't know what size this is, maybe 11 inch or 10 inch, but a good size for $1. You can also get these kinds of things from Walmart for not that expensive either, guys. So a lot of times when I haul like DIY supplies, especially the wreath rings or like things like this, you guys tell me you can't find them at your Dollar Tree. Go to Walmart. They're like maybe $1.50 there, at most $3. Yeah, it's a few dollars more, a few cents more, but I don't like to wait to make my DIYs. I want to make them when I have the inspiration, so sometimes I'll just go over to Walmart. Okay, a couple items that are not for DIYs but I think are really fun are these men's socks. So these are the Greenbrier brand, so that means that Dollar Tree made them. And a lot of times when Dollar Tree makes products, you know, they're meant to be sold for $1 single, so you don't expect the greatest quality, but these feel pretty good. And they look good too. A lot of times Greenbrier socks, the imaging on them is kind of hard to make out, but on these you can tell very clearly what these are: cactuses and pizza. And I'm gonna give these to Jose as part of his Valentine's Day gift. We don't really do gifts for Valentine's Day. We really have never made Valentine's Day a big deal. Okay, so the next item is this amazing little tin. This is like a galvanized farmhouse style tin. It says Flowers and Garden. Pretty decent size. It does come in another size that I will show you in a second. But I have wanted something like this for quite a while. I just never purchased one. Just because there have been other things higher on my wish list, but when I saw these for $1, I definitely knew I had to pick them up. I love a shallow tin like this with some peonies in it. I cannot wait for the farmer's market to open or peonies to come into season so that I can put them in here, or hydrangeas would be cute in here too. So I love this. I will show you the other size too. So the other size of this that I'm going to show you has some other items that I hauled, so it'll be a segue. I picked up this size too, so let me take these little succulents out. We'll talk about those in a second. Here is the taller size compared to the shorter size. Hopefully you guys can tell the difference, and this would actually be beautiful with some tulips in it. The only thing is that the little handle fell off this one, so be aware of that. It very easily fell off. I didn't even do anything, and I don't know if they're welded on there or just glued. I'll just glue it back on, but you know, I wasn't expecting top-notch quality for $1, so I'm happy with that. And then of course you just saw the succulents. They have the succulent picks back and the potted succulents, so let me show you all that I picked up. And we'll kind of talk about it because I do have some DIYs in mind with these. Okay, so here are the picks. Actually, it might be easier if I just kind of go through one by one and share them with you. So I got this kind. It is, I think that these are individual. You should be able to pull them apart. So I got 2 of these. I got 2 of this kind. Now this is probably the fakest looking one of the bunch, although I do think that they look pretty realistic. This one looks fake because of these little things popping out, but I will probably cut those off. So I did get 2 of these. These are a good size. A lot of the succulents are kind of small. These are big, so if you're looking to create an arrangement and you need varying sizes, heights, etc., these are probably a good one to go for. These ones are my favorite though. These ones look the most realistic to me. They look like soft. They are soft to the touch, and they just like have that kind of frosted look that a lot of succulents have. So I did get 3 of these, and you guys, they have these at Hobby Lobby. I was there looking for these because my boyfriend's sister is using succulents as decor in her wedding, and when I went to Hobby Lobby, they weren't on sale, so I went up front and I asked, like, when do those go on sale? And she said they never do, and they were so pricey, like $7 or $10 or whatever, and it's like, you know, these are the exact same thing. They might be a tad bit smaller, but basically the same thing. And then the last one that I picked up, or no, I have a few more, but I'm almost positive I got 1 more of these, and I don't know where it is right now, but is this one. This one is very nice as well. This one looks pretty realistic to me, aside from the like shininess underneath, but looks like they tried to frost it. What you could do to like tone down the greenness and make these even more realistic is to just do like the lightest coat of white spray paint in a matte finish. Like hold this at a distance, spray your spray paint, and like pop it in there for a second. It'll give that kind of toned down look that this one has that makes it look very realistic. And then the last one that I got are these. These are individual picks that they have tied together, very cute like that. So the succulents don't stop there, you guys. These are just picks. I did also get a tub of this kind as well, and how cute would the succulents, I mean, not like this obviously, but how cute would they be in here? But I got 2 of this kind. I loved these. These look very realistic, but I like them because they're purple, and it's just like, you know, adds a little bit of color to the other ones. So these came with a black container. They pop out so easily. Some of them like weren't even in their containers anymore. I did see the cactuses, or cacti rather. I didn't pick any of those up because they wouldn't really go with my DIYs, but oh, you know what? I guess I got 3 of these. So did I? Yeah, I got 3 of them. I think I have more stuff that might have fallen out in my car, honestly. And then I got 2 of this kind. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up using these ones. These are like mini aloe plants, but they were cute. And then I got 2 of this kind. One came in a black jar, one came in a white jar. Like I said, my boyfriend's sister is using succulents in her decor for her wedding. And I was thinking that I might make her a few little decorations for her bridal shower, which is in a month here. And if she likes them, she can use them at her wedding, or she can use them at her rehearsal. So I did want to make her I want to make a little bouquet of succulents. Like, look up succulent bouquets on Pinterest. They're all the rage, and they are so expensive, you guys. They look exactly the same as like these things here, so I'm just like kind of piecing it together. I kind of want to try to make a bridal bouquet for, like I said, she could use it at her rehearsal dinner. She probably already has a bouquet in the works that she's planning for, but I thought about doing that. And then I want to make a succulent wreath as a decoration for her bridal shower. So we will see. If you guys want to see those DIYs, give this a thumbs up. They don't have to be like just for bridal purposes. They could be for parties, decor, whatever. So give the video a thumbs up if you want to see that, or leave a comment, whatever, just so I know to show you guys when I do that. And that's it. Stick around for the pictures, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so here is that really cute collection of stationery. They had only 1 pack of stickers, the one I hauled, but they had some really cute notepads. And this one was so cute. It matches the one that I hauled, and this was the other journal. And like I said, they're all copper. They also had a silver, white, and gold version of this tassel banner. And I saw some new picture frames. This one is a very shiny silver, and this one is all white. So a lot of times we change the picture frames, but these ones were cute enough already. And here are the cacti, or cactuses, I was telling you guys about. This is what the succulent picks look like. You kind of dig through a box, and then the little potted succulents were next to these little planters that they would look really cute in. And I think these are supposed to be bamboo. You guys, I found the textured microfiber cloths. They have a few different textures now, so be on the lookout. I use these in so many DIYs in the Christmas time. And here's just some more of the men's socks. Tell me why the men's socks are better than the women's socks right now. Like, that is not fair. It's not right. They don't care about their socks the way we do. But I did see this as well. If you guys want a video, like a does it work video, let me know and I will do that with that product. I'm sure you guys have seen these. These are hand soaps. These candles have been around for a while too. They're very, very cute. I don't think they have a scent, but they're cute nonetheless, and they're nautical themed. And then all 3 of these candles smelled really good. Some of the best smelling candles at Dollar Tree. And just check out that candle section. That's amazing. They have the fairy garden stuff out. I had a full stock of it at my store, so I think this should be the entire collection here. I think fairy gardens are so cute. We have a local park that has a huge fairy garden, and I love looking at it, but I don't think I would set one up myself. But if you want to, these are super affordable. This is the way to do it. I did really like these frogs too. I like the one who has his mouth open. And sorry if it's hard to tell what these figurines are. They are wrapped in plastic, so my camera wasn't picking up the best quality images, but they're just little things that you can put in your fairy garden. And wait for it, you guys. Look at the one at the top. Let me zoom in for you. What is she doing? I don't know. I love that one though. And I think the fairies are cute too. And just some other little odds and ends you can put in there. You can really do a complete fairy garden with this stuff, you guys. I also found some really cute cosmetic bags. These almost seem like they're for Valentine's Day, because maybe not the amazing one, but this one says follow your heart. The other one said XOXO. So those are pretty cute. This was probably the cutest scarf I've ever seen from Dollar Tree. It was an infinity scarf, and here's just some Easter stuff. So that about wraps it up, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more like this, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye, guys.